Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Allison Rogers, Instructional Technology Specialist here at RESA, and today's Tech Tip Tuesday is going to focus on showing you how to add reminders in Google Calendar. Now, I previously showed you how to use tasks in Google Calendar and Gmail. You can either use tasks or reminders, one or the other within Calendar. So if right now, if you don't see reminders in your list of My Calendars, that means that you have tasks showing. So you have your to-do list to the right. To show reminders, simply click on the drop-down and select Switch to Reminders. If Reminders is already showing, you don't need to do this. So now I can click anywhere in my calendar, just like I would if I wanted to create an event, and an event box pops up. But since I want to create a reminder, I'm going to click on the Reminder tab, and then I can pick whatever reminder I want. So maybe I want a reminder to send the Tech Tip Tuesday email out. I want it to start on a specific date and a specific time. So maybe I want it to be an all-day event. Just something to note with all-day events, if you set that up, it will not actually pop up a reminder. It'll just be at the top of your day. You can set up a repeating event. So maybe I want this to repeat every certain number of days, weeks, months. So I want this to repeat every week on a Tuesday. I can set it up to never end. I can set it up to end after a certain number of weeks in this case, or on a specific date. So I'm going to keep it as is. I'm going to click Done, and I'm good with this date and time, and then I'm going to click Create. And you'll see that it pops up here. It looks like an event except for it has a little pointer finger, so that denotes that it is a reminder, not an event. I can also go back into the reminder just by clicking on it, and I can delete the events, I can edit it, or I can mark as done. So for example, if I want to edit the event and change the time, all I need to do is change whatever it is I want, click Save Changes, and what's nice is because this is a repeating event, it's going to ask me, do you only want to make the changes for this week's reminder, or do you want the reminders every week to be changed, all future reminders? Another thing that's nice about the reminders is that if you have your Google Calendar app on your phone and you have your calendar synced to your phone, the reminders that you put on your computer, Google Calendar, will sync to that phone. If for some reason you're not seeing reminders on your Google Calendar, you may have deleted them, or you might have your tasks showing. So if you've switched to tasks and you don't see reminders, that could be the case. Or if you do have reminders showing and you still don't see reminders popping up, it could be that you don't have it highlighted under My Calendar, so make sure it's highlighted. And also keep in mind if you've set an all-day event, it's not going to pop up. So there's just a few tips in case you aren't seeing reminders that you think you would be seeing normally. Once you get your reminder notification like this, send Tech Tip Tuesday email, you can either just X out of that, or you can actually click on the reminder itself and select Mark as Done, or you can delete it. So if I want to mark as done, I want the satisfaction of checking it off my list. You'll notice that up at the top, it's crossed out. Now I can click on this and I can see what it is, what reminder is crossed out. And I can also either fully delete it, or I can say mark as not done and bring it back so it will continue to remind me. So I have the option of getting it out of the way or having it continually remind me. So that's it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. If you have an idea, question, or suggestion for a Tech Tip Tuesday topic, email me and your idea may be featured in a future training or Tech Tip Tuesday blast.